Hello, and welcome to another How to OU at USU. Let's just jump right in. In today's video, we will be learning how to use snippets to create a alternating feed layout, or at least that's what I'm calling it. This is what our wireframe kind of looks like, right? So you have an initial row that has some content with a smaller area on the left and a larger area on the right, and then it just switches back and forth. So kind of like our left and right feeds, only alternating. Hence the alternating feed. Let's just do it. Let's go. Snippets. Create a new page. We'll call this page alternating feed. Alternate feed. I'm not sure if that's spelled correctly. I'll check real quick. Yeah, it is. All right. Cool. And I'll just go into edit. Clear out everything. Turn on my show block so I can see. Clear out everything again so that way everything's truly gone. And we'll go into our snippets. We'll set up an initial row that'll take up all 12 of the columns for our header, our H1. So let's just throw that in there. And then we'll keep going. Our layout started with it on the left, the smaller side being on the left. So then we'll go here. Cool. And then looks like I'm still in that tag. If I push Shift Enter, yep, I can see it still has me in that tag. So I'm going to go into my source code, go at the very bottom, type in a, what is that, less than P greater than something real quick. I don't know, I'll delete it. And then a less than / P greater than. And I'm just doing that so that way I can make sure I'm at the very bottom of my page, and then I want to go in front of that, and I push Shift Enter so I can create another tag, and then I'm going to insert a snippet, and then this time I want it to alternate. So instead of picking the same one again, I'll go to 8.4. Nice. And then I'll just do that again. I'm already kind of at the bottom, or at least low enough that I don't have to worry about accidentally nesting or embedding the columns within one of the other columns. So, because I'm low enough, right? So I'll go ahead and add my next one. And I got one more. Oh, so see, this time I'm not at the very bottom anymore. It moved me up there. I'll go here, get rid of that one extra paragraph very carefully so that way the editor doesn't delete things it shouldn't. Come right in front of that something and then insert snippet. I need this last one, right? And so I'll add that. Boom. And then I'll delete this last paragraph tag. Cool. So just like always, gather up your content, figure out what you want to do with your web page, then create a wireframe. Create a sheet of paper that has a quick sketch on it. Well, it doesn't even have to be paper. Put it on a whiteboard. You do it in XD if you're super advanced and want to use XD. Use Microsoft Word. Don't use Microsoft Word. It doesn't matter if you use Microsoft Word. Figure out your layout and then figure out what your content's going to look like in that layout. And then this is how you actually go ahead and make it. So all of your pages should start with an H1 just because that's a good practice. Helps screen readers, helps people that are reliant on those technologies, and it also helps us stay ADA compliant. It's a win-win-win. Always good. It also helps search engines because search engines are also blind and can't tell what's going on a page unless it's kind of set up very nicely. So, we have one extra paragraph tag. We'll delete that. Then, yeah, you could go ahead and change your headers and your paragraphs and add your pictures and add your video links and your links to external resources, whatever you need to do. But that's how to set up an alternating feed layout, or at least that's what I'm calling this. Is that what it's actually called? No, that's just what I'm calling it. You can call it that if you want, as long as you understand the idea. That's awesome. So once you're done, make sure you save often. And then once you're done, you'll have a title, you'll have a meta description. You won't have lorem ipsum. You'll have properly nested headers. You'll be following the whole shebang. You'll submit it for approval, and once it's been approved, you'll be able to grab the slug of the URL, which I'm just grabbing right now, and go to that page. And you can see that it's calm. You've done the thing. It's doing the thing. So that is how to set up an alternating feed layout. I already said that. All right. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks. Bye.